Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Shivli's Kitchen. So today I'm preparing vegan enchiladas. It's just like a vegetable enchiladas, there is no big difference. So let's see how to prepare these vegan enchiladas. So first let's make the guacamole. In this bowl I have taken one avocado, 1 teaspoon of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of chopped tomato, few green chilies, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon sea salt, half teaspoon black pepper. Now mix everything. Add little lemon juice. Guacamole is ready. Now let's make the salsa. Here I have 2 chopped tomatoes. Add half teaspoon of chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon chopped red pepper, few cilantro, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon sea salt, 2 teaspoon of lime juice. Mix it. If you have frozen corn, you can add frozen corn in this. I'm ran out of it, so I'm not adding anything else. So salsa is ready, guacamole is ready. Now let's saute all the vegetables. So for vegan enchiladas you need gluten-free tortillas or wheat tortillas, whatever available you can use. And for cheese you can use dairy-free or vegan cheese. There is no other difference between vegan and veg enchiladas. So now let's saute all the vegetables. Add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of garlic, add 1 cup of chopped onion, add 2 cups of zucchini, add 1 cup of chopped asparagus, no need to fry anything, just saute for 2 to 3 minutes. So zucchini and asparagus are nicely sauteed. Now you can add 1 cup of red capsicum, very colorful and healthy vegetables, lots of fibers and cholesterol free veggies are here. Now last I'm going to add cup of chopped mushroom. You can add or skip any of these vegetables. I will give you other vegetable options in the description box. Don't forget to check that. Cook on high heat. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional, you can skip this. Canned black beans. If you have boiled beans at home, you can add that. Otherwise you can add canned beans like me. I'm going to add all of them. Add more half teaspoon of salt. On top of the tortillas I'm going to put some sauce. So let's make the red sauce. Here I'm going to take 3 teaspoons of marinara paste, 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, and 2 teaspoons of barbecue sauce. This is gluten free, lactose free and vegan. Sauce is ready. Vegetables are done. Turn off the heat. Add half teaspoon of black pepper. Little chopped coriander and 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Mix everything. So now you need a baking tray. I'm using this tray here. Now we are going to put our filling on our tortillas. Prepared all the tortillas and place it inside the tray one by one. Spray little cooking oil. Now place all the tortillas inside the tray. This sauce is little spicy, sweet and tangy. You can make your own sauce, otherwise you can get the ready-made market bought enchilada sauce. You can add any kind of sauce in this. Sprinkle little taco seasoning. Now let's spread little cheese on top of the tortillas. Preheat your oven 375. Let's add little more. Garnish with pepper. Now let's put this tray inside the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. This is my yummy enchiladas. Let's serve this. Vegan enchiladas are ready to eat. Enjoy these vegan enchiladas with sour cream or guacamole. I hope you like my today's recipe. See you next time. Till then, eat fresh, stay healthy.